Yesterday, the 26th, Lancaster County Sheriff's Office arrested Cody Pester. He's 26 of Lincoln, a sixth grade teacher and the wrestling coach. We got informed of this investigation or notified of it in December by Odo County, who started it, who had gotten an intake from DHHS. We've been working on it for about a month. The victim of this is 18. The relationship started in May of 2025. The victim is a graduate of Palmyra. Pester is the wrestling coach, like I said. They did meet during athletic events. I do want to say since May of 2025, Pester and the victim had contact over 13,000 times on the phone. We want to thank Palmyra Superintendent Michael Hart for their cooperation and all his staff who has helped us through this difficult time for them. We sometimes, in our professions, teachers, law enforcement, and anything like this, we have a special responsibility, special to the students, and this is why we made this arrest. Sometimes things you should not violate got violated in this case. You got any questions of me?
So who notified? Was it her or the superintendent that got a hold of you guys, or how did that?
What ended up happening is they got the intake, Odo County, thinking it's in Palmyra, which is in Odo County. Well, as the investigation went on, it was learned that the crime occurred in Lincoln, and that's when the Odo County attorney contacted our county attorney's office, who came down to the sheriff's office, and that's when we took over the investigation in December. So that's how we got onto it at this point. Yes.
You said the victim was 18. They were 18 when this started, or are 18 now? Just want to clarify.
I do not know. I know that they're 18 now. With the law, it's Nebraska Statute 28-316.01. It states under Nebraska law, it is legal for a school employee to engage in sexual activity or contact with a student and is enrolled in that school or enrolled within the last 90 days. So she graduated in May. The relationship turned sexual in July in that 90-day period. That's why the violation when that occurred, that we know at this point in time. We're also making this press conferences. If there are any other victims or anybody with information, please contact us at the Sheriff's Office, 402-441-6500. We do hope that there is not, but again, if there is, we certainly want to know about it.
Were
Yes.
all of the texts sexual in nature, or?
Some of them certainly were.
Some,
Right. It certainly read like it was a dating relationship.
No inappropriate sort of contact or allegations, I guess, on like contraband or drugs or anything like alcohol on that?
Nothing that we have found so far. The investigation is ongoing. We're still getting information and going through things, but at this point we had enough to make their arrest, and that's why we went ahead and did it.
Was there any inappropriate contact between them on school property at all?
Not that we have found out yet.
Okay.
And the inappropriate contact started in July or in May and then became sexual in July?
They started as I would classify as a dating relationship in May. We do know that in July that it did turn sexual. And it, go ahead.
Do you know who originally reported it?
I do not know. I just know it came through DHHS on an intake. Never like having to report on these things, but again, I'm very proud of our criminal investigation unit who investigated this. A lot of time, and there's been a lot of reports and a lot of work, and I'm very proud of them. This was not an easy case for them to prove, and they did an outstanding job, and I'm really proud of them.